Active recall is one of the most powerful learning strategies ever discovered. In this video, I'll show you how to use it correctly so you learn faster, remember longer, and never waste study time again. Active recall is all about pulling information out of your memory, not just reviewing it. Every time you force your brain to recall something, you strengthen the memory pathway. To use active recall effectively, close your notes and try answering questions from memory. Convert every major idea into a question and use short recall bursts. Your brain learns better in quick, repeated attempts than long, passive reads. Build a recall routine. Create cards or digital questions, summarize topics without looking, and review your mistakes immediately. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to identify gaps and fix them fast. Active recall works best with spaced repetition. Review content at growing intervals. Apps like Anki automate this perfectly. Watch your retention skyrocket as you strengthen information over weeks, not minutes. Turn active recall into a daily routine. Quiz yourself during walks, explain topics out loud, or set tiny recall targets. Small, consistent practice creates huge learning gains over time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel QuickGuides to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.